Reggie Garcia, Vision Mechanical, Vice President. Been here for 10 years. Company's been in business for 14 years. We're a mechanical contractor. We do a lot of, our forte is a lot of power plant work, heavy industrial and commercial type schools, hospitals. 5 years ago we purchased an old welty-way line that was just the front end, no insulation section on it. We used that for 5 years, and with the economy and the way we grew, the company's grown 15 to 20% every year. And we decided that it was time to move up into purchasing a new piece of equipment. The Iowa Precision line was, we looked at several others, and we felt that that piece of equipment was state of the art, had been proven. It's been bulletproof, been around for a lot of years. That was another selling point, was the service. And we had a good comfort and a good relationship with Iowa Precision. Installation went great. The sales folks over there and the factory worked with us. They shipped it in a way for us to off-handle it. They scheduled the trucks in a certain way. Our facility's in a pretty tight area, and the way they shipped it was easy for us to offload it. We were able to get it into our shop in sections that were easy to handle, and the delivery time was right on the mark. Right now, the line is running above what we expected. The productivity of the line is right on the mark or better than what they had told us. Now, the salesman's going to tell you that that thing can do anything in the world and it's going to run faster than 10 guys, but what we found is with the new computer program, the way the system runs, the way that we upgraded and bought a high-speed pinner, the way the insulation, the new knife, this new swing blade on the knife cuts the insulation a lot more effectively. It's a lot more efficient than we thought it was going to be, and the product is phenomenal. And so we think that the payback's already started. Even with the economy being as low as it is, we've been able to pick up a little bit of work because other companies are struggling with keeping up with production. So that's been able to give us that, and being a new machine, the newest one in Colorado, that's afforded us a lot of open doors. I would definitely recommend Iowa Precision. In fact, we've had several other contractors, we've opened our door to have them come in and look at the line, run it through its paces. Not that I want my competitors to have, the same equipment I have, but the idea of having a relationship with Iowa Precision, and if they're not in my area, I didn't invent the wheel. I would definitely recommend Iowa Precision.